Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join random groups on Snapchat. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Snapchat application and then click on the Friends option at the bottom of your screen. After that, at the top right corner you need to click on the search icon, and then in the search bar you need to type, for example, random groups. After that, you'll see a lot of options. For example, you can click on this guy, random groups, then add him and ask him about inviting you to some group, for example. Or you can swipe down and find topics section, for example, and then click on the random. And after that, find in this topic some people with which you want to create any group you want. So, and that's how to join random groups on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.